Yo guys, in today's video I'll show you how to make transparent background in Photopea. Open Photopea and click on File to open your image. Now select Object Selection tool, then choose Quick Selection. Click and drag to select object you want to keep. Hold down Alt key to subtract from selection and refine the edges if needed. Once you select desired object, click Select and choose Inverse. Now press Delete key on your keyboard to remove background, leaving only selected object. Now click on File and choose Export As, and then PNG to save image with transparent background. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.